This man was pleading with a kidnapper to spare his life and the life of his son. His wife, who had been stabbed by the kidnapper, was still alive. He begged the kidnapper, promising not to report him to the police and offering to do anything if only he would let them live. Hearing this, the kidnapper handed him a knife and ordered him to kill his wife, who was still alive. The kidnapper said that if he did this, he would let them go. With no other choice, the man asked the kidnapper to keep his promise and reluctantly walked toward his wife. Just as he was about to stab her, the kidnapper struck him and stabbed him instead. The kidnapper then turned to the man's son and gave him the same ultimatum. If he killed his father, he would be allowed to live. Before he could react, the police arrived at his scene and arrested the kidnapper. On the day of the trial, the judge sentenced the kidnapper to only 12 years in prison. Seongjin, the man's son, was in disbelief. He appealed to the judge, arguing that the sentence was a joke, considering the kidnapper had brutally killed 2 people. But the judge refused to reconsider. Filled with anger and despair, Seongjin attacked the kidnapper in court, hitting him with a piece of wood and killing him. Afterward, he stayed there waiting to be arrested. To his surprise, no one intervened. Not even the police came to take him into custody. The next day, still confused by the situation, Seongjin was lost in thought when he witnessed 2 men on a motorcycle snatch a purse from a woman. To test his suspicions, he hit the thieves with his bag and began smashing their bike. Suddenly, the police arrived, but when they saw Seongjin, they simply asked if he was hurt. After confirming he was fine, they left the scene without arresting him.